Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get a free virtual credit card for free trials. I'll walk you through two easy methods to do this. Let's get started. Start by opening your preferred browser and searching for free virtual cards. You'll see several websites offering free virtual credit cards. Click on one of these websites. For example, this one offers a variety of virtual cards. Simply sign up for an account. I'll continue the process using QU, or the example website. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll first need to verify your account. It will show Not Verified initially. After verification, you can choose the type of card you want, such as one for online purchases or advertising payments. Just enter your details, and your free virtual card will be ready. Open a new tab and search for Dashboard Free VCC Do Online. Visit the website and register for a new account. Once registered, you'll get access to a dashboard where you can view your card details, transaction history, and balance. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can get a free virtual credit card for your trial needs, without paying anything. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.